Yo, this your boy Frank with Urban Bear Trucking, coming at you with another one. I'm installing a heater unit today. The one I had in there been in there since 2008. So I went and got another one. It's an S-bar heater. I'm gonna install this. Got the menu, got a fuel pump, and we got the connection for this unit. So this one is the fuel line. One of these is the in and out for the exhaust, and we got 4 screws we need to take out. And what I did, I bought the same exact one that I had, and we're going to put that unit on. So I got a guy gonna come by. I'm my cousin, teaching him how to do a little work on the truck, and I'm having to take the unit out, break it down to him, and put it back in. So this unit should be a plug and play. The only reason why I didn't go and take it to have it repaired, because they're gonna cost me about an hour. Then the system in the inside is letting me know that the motor is gone. So by the motor is gone, I priced the motor. The motor is $300. So by the time I have somebody take it out, put it in, it's gonna cost me about $300 for the motor, for the service. Just put it this way, it's gonna be about $400 or $500 itself for somebody to do that. Then the unit, he might need a glow plug in there. So this unit that I picked up today, you know, it cost me about 650 something bucks I paid for the unit. And let's see right here, about 650 bucks. Well, $695. So I went ahead and picked it up, because like I say, I hate taking the shortcut with stuff, then it end up costing you in the long run. So with this, you know, I don't have to put the pump on. You know, the unit is you know, it's already in. So we just gonna do a plug and play. So guys, you know, I'm probably show you where we need to go. We gotta go here. I know you probably can't see anything because gonna need some light. Well, anyway, the screws down there, it's the same setup. I'm just gonna be unscrewing it and putting it. All right, guys, we up under my bunk. All right, we're gonna take this. This is the output. This goes to blow the heat in. This is the input. And right behind here, we got a plug. We're gonna unplug. Then I'm gonna pull the 4 bolts from the bottom. We're gonna get the 4 bolts from the bottom. Then we're gonna take the unit out. Okay, guys. I got this one unplugged. a screwdriver. Unscrew this. Alright. So the only thing I gotta do is go to the bottom and unscrew the bolts, and this unit ready to come out. Alright guys, we're up under the truck. He had 2 screws. I got this clip to take off. This is exhaust right here. That's where all the hot air come out. The second line is the fresh air. So I'm finished taking these 2 clamps off, and this unit is ready to come up. And on this side we got a fuel line, and we're just going to unscrew that. Alright guys, we got the items are loose. That's your fuel line, the small one. You got these 2. And yeah, I'm up on the truck. We're gonna pull this thing on out. Alright guys, yeah, don't be laughing at me. Gotta find something to keep the ears warm. I'm bald headed. But I got both of them out. As you can see, both of them are the same unit. If you look at the plugs, both of them are the same plugs. So I'm gonna put this piece back on, and this is the vent, the door. I'm gonna slide this back over here, and I'm gonna go and slide it back on. But as you can see, when I unscrew the unit, the screws right here came out, the whole screw and nut. The unit didn't come with screws and nuts, but in my storage I have nuts. So I always try to keep up with those and have some of those for extra. So what we're going to do is that I'm gonna go ahead and prep this back, make sure I got the nuts and bolts for it. And this ain't nothing but a fuel line. Got a little rubber piece on it, and I'm gonna put this back together, plug it up, and that's it. So what I'm trying to say, guys, is that, you know, this thing right here needed a new motor. Once again, just going back over it. A new fan, 300. You got a glow plug in the inside. That's some money. To clean this, if I took it to Thermo King, it was gonna cost me about, man, I'm saying $600 itself. So why not put a new unit in that I could get a warranty on it? Because when I bought the truck, it was already in there. So I know this thing, this is 2008, it's 2018, so it's over 10 years old. So why not, you know, to me it makes sense to put the same unit back in, brand new, go register it, and get, you know, a warranty on it from Thermo King. And it don't take a whole lot, you know. I mean, well, I know everybody's not mechanic inclined, but for the people who are, you know, it makes sense to me to do it this way. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go in my stores, find some nuts and bolts, and put this thing back in and plug it back up, and that's it for this truck. Now this truck gonna have heat because it was blowing smoke in the inside and just wasn't operating right. So in that case like that, remember, I mean, I was on the road with the truck, and hey, I went to go get that heat, and it kept flagging that it got a problem. Oh, my bad. Some of the units you get, they just have a knob, twist knob on it. So I had upgraded mine to a system. At the end of the video I'll show you, and the unit that I had will tell you the problems that's wrong with your, you know, your heater. If you got a fuel problem, you got a motor problem, whatever's going on, it'll let you know. So that's how I came up with this conclusion that what's wrong with it, you know, and trying to trying to get it repaired. But to me, this is the least expensive way for me to deal with the situation. And I know I got 2 years warranty on it, and hopefully I get another 10 years out of this thing. All right, guys. Yeah, we just got through installing the unit. Check the heat out on the inside. Just got through installing the unit, so we through. I just got to put a couple zip ties on everything. But like I say, it was a plug and play. Put the other one in, took the other one out. Man, I mean, took it out, put it in, that's it. All right, guys. Appreciate it.